In today's video, I'm going to be making a white sauce. These are the ingredients you'll need. We've got about 2 tablespoons of butter. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of flour, 1/4 litre of milk, basically 1 cup and 1/4 if you're doing it in cups, a pinch of salt and some black pepper. That's pretty much what you need. You can use mixed spice and nutmeg if you want to. If you don't have it, don't worry, it's not a big deal. First things first, we need a whisk. So, here she is. We are going to start by melting the butter in a pan. So, got my saucepan, put the pan on a medium heat, and we are going to chuck in our 2 tablespoons of butter. Like that, nice. We're basically just going to let this melt now. It's a bit cringy, but it looks as if butter would melt.
Dad joke.
Dad joke, really? Was that a dad joke? Right, so we turn that down a little bit. We don't want to burn the butter. Just nicely mix it, let it melt slowly. Now we're going to get some flour. 2 tablespoons of flour. And we're just going to chuck that right into our butter. And so we're just going to mix this now. We don't want to let it brown, we just want to let it bubble for about 2 minutes. So now we're going to slowly pour in our milk. And we're going to mix as we go. Right, so now this sauce is ready. We're going to add our salt and also some pepper. Pepperoncino. There we go. Give it a good mix. And then we want to reduce the heat or turn it off if you're ready to layer your lasagna. It depends really what you're using this white sauce for. If you did make a lasagna, you'd probably want to make a lot more, maybe 3 times the amount. But you can just adjust the ratio to your situation. And that is the perfect white sauce.